Good evening. Pasko na naman po, so it's nice to see you all here. Good evening everyone and welcome to Himig ng Pasko, an Ayala Museum Christmas concert. We are so glad that you can join us on this wonderful musical evening. Before everything else, I would like to thank our friends from Cathay Pacific and Makati Shangri-La for their partnerships that made this event possible. These friends of ours have supported many of our programs and exhibitions this year, culminating now in the celebration of our most cherished holiday season. Himig ng Pasko invites us to continuously enjoy and treasure all the traditions and elements that make Paskong Pinoy some of the most unique and colorful across the world. The food we enjoy during Noche Buena, the exquisite paroles and decors we use to adorn our homes and buildings, the distinct warmth and fellowship that we have towards others, an air of Christmas joy, as the song goes. All these point to values that we hold dear in our hearts during this season: love, faith, hope, joy, and family. And as we light our Christmas paroles tonight, if you have not noticed, they're just all over the place. Excuse me. We will be reminded to further our mission here in Ayala Museum and Ayala Foundation as a whole to serve as beacons of those values, to continue to inspire love of country, faith in the Filipino, and hope for a brighter future for the next generation. Of course, Paskong Pinoy is not complete without the music and songs to inspire us further with the spirit of the holidays. Mr. Noel Cabangon, who has tirelessly worked to champion original Filipino music, or OPM, is here with us tonight to serenade us with beautiful Filipino carols and songs of the season. Joining him is Los Cantantes de Manila, Filipino cultural ambassadors of goodwill, who is making Filipinos proud with their soaring performances in competitions across the globe. Finally, Paskong Pinoy is not complete without pasasalamat or thanksgiving. As we near the close of 2024, we thank all of you, our guests and patrons, for supporting our programs here at Ayala Museum. My heartfelt thanks also goes to the organizing group of this concert, led by Fiona Ting, Ayala Museum's Senior Manager for Audience Development, ably supported by our colleagues, Jane Salvador and Donna Asana. And on that note, thank you everyone for joining us for this evening's event. May it prove to be a delightful one. Thank you and good evening.